Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from VIVO device to VIVO Y27. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. Then launch it and set it up by tapping on the same options. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this pop-up, select whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of VIVO device and receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO Y27. Also on VIVO device, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!